Hello, today I'm making a fidget spinner video. See, I got a fidget spinner and I also got a special surprise at the end. Ready? Let's do this. I'm gonna show you some tricks, okay? So I got a special one. There. Boom. It's on it. Isn't that nice and a cool trick you can learn? And then push it down, it stops. Spin, 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 stop. And I learned this one from a YouTube video, but it doesn't really work because I put it in slow motion. See? Wait, I don't think you guys see. So you basically while it's spinning, you throw it up in the air and catch it. But this is what they did. Imagine this hand isn't there, okay? Ready? I know, weird, right? But it's cool. I like it. And you throw it, you catch it. But here's a new one. You balance it on your nose. This is a cool way. And you can also hear. My knee is right here. So. See, look, it just fell. It's on the floor. Sorry. Okay. Are you ready for this awesome video to keep going? Yeah. Oh, here's a cool trick. I know. So cool, isn't it? It's amazing. Oh. Here is our... Oh, I'm gonna need that. Here is our special thingy. So this is a fidget spinner that you can buy off Amazon. Go to Quickie Shop. Wait, is that what it's called, Mom? Or is that just in the Simpsons? Remember the store where Vanessa got her fidget spinner? Yeah, it's a Quickie Shop. You know, the one that's got like a flower first thing. Okay? And then, so, you can buy these there. But this is a special one. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Sorry. This is a special one. It's called a fidget cube. I actually got this yesterday along with this one from Amazon. Like $8 for each. But I saw one that was $3. These came out like this year in March. So as you can see, this is the size. Okay, so this one is a joystick. Wait, first, this one is a soothing pad, and across from it here is a joystick that you can push down, put up, and then on this side is a switch. And then on this side is buttons. They all click like pens. But some don't in other fidget cubes. So that. Oh, this one is like that little, I don't know if you can see it, but see, there's a little circle thingy that you can like switch around or push it around with the thingy. It's cool, isn't it? Okay, our last one is this one. It's got like 3 little gears here and a rolly ball. So these things are pretty cool. So you can also get like fidget toys at the Walmart, along with Walmart items. Okay, so those are pretty cool. And in my next video, it will also be about fidget cubes and fidget spinners, because I am fidget cool 23. Sorry. Bye, guys. See you later. Is this still going?